Hi, boys and girls. I hope everybody is doing well, enjoying this nice weather. Thankfully, we're getting some hot weather so we can have some time outside. Okay, so I just wanted to go through what's expected of you this week. This week's a big week because it's would have been considered the official Geronimo Oral Week. So that being said, Miss Vitale has sent your parents a link to the Google Doc to sign up for the orals. The oral sign-up sheet looks like this, okay? It's a little bit different, but it's because there's a lot of people that need to sign up. So Monday and Tuesday for 201, Tuesday, Wednesday, 202, Thursday, Friday, 203. So make sure you do sign up. And I'm very, very excited to see what your orals are going to look like. That being said, make sure whatever day that you do sign up to the oral, boys and girls, you need to sign into the Zoom time at 1 p.m. or 1:45 p.m. Okay, so make sure that you come at the start of the Zoom time and not at the time that you've specified here. That's just for me to keep track of the time frame that we have on Zoom and to make sure that everyone is placed in order. Okay, so the activities this week, boys and girls, are simple. You have your spelling test for the words of the week 31 and 32. Do it at any time that you feel comfortable with your sentences. Afterwards, we have a small review on syllables. If you remember, syllables are the sounds that you hear in a word. So for example, Miss Vitale gave or showed you her name. My name is Vanessa. How many syllables are in Vanessa? Va-ne-sa. So it would be considered 3 syllables. So if you scroll down a little bit lower, you have an activity here. You have to read out the word and tell me how many syllables are in each of these 14 words. Once you have completed that, you move on to a Kahoot challenge. So this week, Miss Vitale did something a little bit different. We started learning about poems. So the first type of poem that we learned were the 5 senses. You wrote your own 5-sense poem. Now you're going to learn about limericks. And to do that, I created a Kahoot challenge. So you're going to click on that link. Once you click on the link, boys and girls, it's going to bring you straight to the Kahoot. You're going to create your own name, and then you're going to get started. It's called What is a Limerick? You are going to create your own nickname. You can spin a nickname. It'll generate your own type of nickname. Oh, Dandy Possum. There you go. And you go, okay, go. And then afterwards, it'll start the Kahoot as such. Okay? So what's wonderful about this, boys and girls, is that you can do it at any time. Okay? There's videos, there's questions, and whatnot. Okay? So I will not go through each one, but I want you to complete the Kahoot challenge before you write your own limerick poem because you don't know what a limerick poem is. So once you've completed the Kahoot challenge, it gives you a description of what a limerick poem is. Let's say you're like, I really still don't understand what a limerick poem is. That's okay. Miss Vitale has added a site here. If you click on this site here, this will bring you more information. You can read through it. It tells you all of the rules, what rhyming has to be done, what rhyming is, and so on. Okay, so you can take a look at that. If you're like, oh my God, I did the Kahoot. I read this site. I still don't understand. No problem. Miss Vitale has also included a YouTube link with a song about a limerick. So you can click on that. It'll bring you straight to the song like when I add any other YouTube link. Okay? So that's that.
How are you? I'm Nick. Here to teach you a fun
After you have done that, then you click on this document here and you are to write your own limerick poem. Okay, it gives you again a little description of how the rhyming works, gives you 2 examples, gives you a cloud for some ideas of what kind of limerick you want to write, and it starts off the limerick for you. So you just need to complete the following section right here. Once you have finished that, just do some Raz Kids, continue reading. You're done your Geronimo books, right? Because the orals are this week. So continue doing that and continue working on those IXL sections for the end of the year, Section L, Section U, and Section O. And that's it for this week, boys and girls. So fantastic work. I love seeing what you're doing. Miss Vitale is still getting through all of the correcting of your stories, so be ready to see that. Small note, boys and girls, for the Zoom meetings, the links for the Zoom meeting is in Zoom meeting schedule. It is right here. If you click on, it's because there's so many Zooms this week, so I had to do it this way. If you click on this document, you're going to see Monday's Zoom meeting link here, Tuesdays, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These are the 1 o'clock times, and then the 1:45 times are here as well. Okay? So everything is there for you. I will always send you a little reminder like, cuckoo, you know, hey, how's it going? We have a Zoom coming up so that you're ready to join. All right? So otherwise, that's it for me. Keep up the good work, enjoy the nice weather, and I hope that you get to jump in your pool if you have one or play with some water because it's getting warm out there. Okay? So have a good week. Bye!